What's going on, everyone? I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to use the Zapier plugin with ChatGPT. Once again, the AI revolution is upon us, and I just keep learning all these new different plugins and extensions, and I feel like I have to share them with the world because they are literally affecting my life and my business and changing it and just making it better and allowing me to do tasks way more simply and not having to have so many employees anymore. So I'm putting more money into my pockets each and every month. So I need to share these plugins with you guys and how you actually use them. So let's dive right in on how to use the ChatGPT plugin with Zapier. So first and foremost, when you're on the ChatGPT, you are going to have the 4.0 with the plugins added. And then you need to come into your settings and go to beta features and have plugins selected here. As you can see, I've been messing around with this Zapier plugin right here on this chat. But for the people that are really not tech savvy and struggle trying to navigate and set things up, this is where ChatGPT can literally be the game changer to solve all those frustrations. You just prompt it and ask it the question. Prompt it, and let's see what it spits out for us here. To set up your Zapier correctly and configure your actions, you're going to have to follow this link. Perfect. It tells me exactly where I need to go so I can get this going. And what I'm going to be showing you today is how you can use Gmail and the Zapier Chrome extension to sequence stuff in Slack very easily. So one thing I love doing with my team is sharing articles and different things that I come across. And I used to have to copy and paste, then put it over here, where now Zapier has solved that problem, and I'll show you how to do that with Slack later on. But first, we're going to be doing it on how to sync with Gmail to create drafts and reply to emails. I'm sure everyone gets it where they have an overwhelming response. They don't know what quite to say to clients or how to respond to different emails. I know for me, a lot of times, I just don't know what to say at the start. And that's where ChatGPT can be used to have all that iteration done for you. That's where it can do all the idea generation for you, and then you just have to iterate on what you're looking to do yourself. So it's now sent us exactly where it is. We're going to be wanting to create a Gmail draft here. So if you're wanting to connect this, you just go a new action. You would look up what you're trying to do. You type in Gmail, and it's going to tell you send a Gmail, find, create a draft. That's what we're trying to do, is create a draft. And then it's going to ask which link you want to create it. And then you want to go back, and mine's already set here. The next thing you want to do is make sure you go to your apps here and have ChatGPT sequenced on your app and it's connected. Really easy to do. Just connect it with your ChatGPT login. All right, so let's get back to the meat and potatoes of this. So now that we got everything set up, I'm going to be wanting to write, I'm just going to copy this again. So for me, a lot of times I get clients that want like individual responses on what's going on in the real estate market. And I just don't know what to say a lot of times. Like I can inform them of what's currently going on or how to reply. So write me an email to Russell Mortlock regarding the Kelowna real estate market. I just put it in there. And here's the best part is it's giving me prompts where I can just plug in what's going on, how much a price has increased or decreases, what's going on in turnover, what's the rental market doing, and then I can just put in everything that's wanting to go on right there. Now I just tell, now 10 Zapier plugins coming on. Beautiful. So now it spit me out exactly what it is. It used Zapier. I can click here to go review it in OpenAI in the Zapier plugin here. And if it's telling me what I would like, I just hit this run and it'll send it exactly to my Gmail. So now it's a little bit of a manual process, but it's synced right into my Gmail because we connected it there properly. Action has run. I'm going to come over to my Gmail here, hit refresh. Okay, so now that I am in my draft section here, I click on it. You can see that this came up. Hey, dear Russell, merging trends and opportunities in the Kelowna real estate market. Gives me everything that I need. And then now I can just plug and play on what I want to change in there, and then just hit send, put in my name, put in my contact information, and hit it and send it out. I can also reuse this to send to other people, say if I wanted to send to someone else, and then I can just keep redoing it. That's how amazing this ChatGPT plugin with Zapier and Gmail. I don't know how many people I deal with, contractors, clients, and sometimes I just don't know what to say to them when they respond by email. Now it's really simple. I can just plug this into here. Please respond to this email for me. I don't know what to say. Okay, so now the next thing I want to teach you guys is how to use Zapier extensions. So once you have it downloaded, it's going to show over here in the extension format. And now you have a shortened way to send things to Google Sheets, to Slack. You can put in anything that you want here, and your actions, your zaps, you can customize this to do whatever you want straight from the web browser. So say I want to send this article to my team. I just simply hit the send zap because I already set this up with my Slack, and now it's going to show up in my Slack DMs. I can also sequence this to go to certain conversations and to go to my team if I want them to read that. But that's really just the power of these extensions and plugins. And if you're someone that got some value from this video, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be providing a ton of value on what I'm doing with AI in order to boost my business and how it's making me more efficient. But for the people that want to take it a step further and they want to know all the tools that I'm currently using, go to my Instagram at russellmortlock.realestate and send me a DM saying AI tools. I'll provide you a list of all the tools I'm currently using to elevate my business.